Hi, I'm Greg from RVHaulers. I've got an update on how Snick's bed is coming along. We're forecasting that within a few days here, we're going to have this bed completed and ready for sandblasting and painting. Let me show you how he's coming along as of today.
Now I'll turn this just a little bit. I'll attack this in here. Attack that.
So the infrastructure has been put in place, or the substructure. Sides have been hung. You see we've done a lot of the polishing. Part of the way these boxes work is when we mount the boxes in behind here and we fill this, you want to have a really nice clean edge. You don't want to be clean bondo or any kind of a material that's going to crack or get stuck and break over time. So we've got some more fill to do on the trim around the wheel opening. And Andy and Mark are working on the winch support over on that side, as you can see. So on this side, Mark is getting the tray ready for the ladder. So the ladder goes up into this space. And there's the ladder that will be going in to the space that Mark is fabricating now. So once we get the ladder, the winch supports in place, and we're also going to finish the door on this side of the ramp store. We'll put then we'll put our checker plate on top, and we'll be ready for sandblasting and painting. Also, let me show you the drum box. So here's the drum box. We've got the shelves that we need to weld in place yet. Attached doors and stainless hinges. Thanks for watching our update on this bed build, the smart car bed build for the RV hauler named Snick. If you have any questions about the beds or the RV haulers that we create custom for our customers, give us a call, send us an email. We'd welcome your questions. And of course, please, if you enjoy these videos, provide your comments. Let us know down below there in YouTube what you'd like to see. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer those. Thanks for watching.